So the question today is, why does it take so long to repair my car? I wish I had $1 for every time somebody asked me, was in our front shop and asked me, hey Mark, how long is it going to take to repair my car? I always tell people this, that's $1 million question. It's one question I can never answer, ever answer at the beginning of the job. There's too many factors involved and outside factors at that. Number one, there's communication between the body shop and the insurance company. And we look for approvals. We send in for approvals. Have to wait. We send in for more approvals. We have to wait. There's a process though that delay the process. Parts. We order parts. We have no control over how quick the parts get here, how long they'll take, when they'll show up. So parts are another delay. The repair process itself is one of the shortest pieces to it. Usually when a car starts repairs and goes through that process, that's typically an average repair would be a week or less. But then at the end of the repair, there's a lot of times there's sublet repairs where the car needs to go to a dealership for calibrations, scans, maybe alignments, maybe something like that. And that's another piece that's out of control to navigate the sublet process. So between insurance communication, parts delays, sublet repairs, those delays can add up to weeks sometimes for a normal repair, and that's typically why you see a repair taking so long. If you like this content, keep following us. If you have a question, drop it below. We would love to answer your questions, anything that you've experienced, or if you got a story you want to share, leave a comment for us and we can address it in future episodes.